Hey, how's it going, everybody? So, we got a call from a gentleman here. He needs a tire put on his rim. His car was actually across the street over at Blystone Tire, which is right across the way right there, right across from us. Yeah, they wouldn't put the tire on his rim for him because they were like, well, you need all four. And, well, no, he doesn't. 3 of them are in really, really nice shape. Just this one was really bad. So, we're going to go ahead and get it off the rim for him. Blystone's probably not going to like the fact that we're working right across the street from them. But, hey, that's the way it goes. We'll just change your tire real quick, get it back on there, and get you back going. That's ridiculous, that they, all these shops like that, they want you to put, even though you got 3 good tires, they still want you to put 4 brand new ones on.
Oh, yeah.
And they won't touch it unless you do. I mean, I get it. I understand, For them, I believe it can be a liability issue. For us, it's not. Well, for us, it's not because the customer is the one that takes the risk, not us.
Yeah, exactly.
Like this is technically your job, not mine. So technically, if you wanted to come up here and be like, hey, I want to do the job, you can. That's the way we operate. Oh. Yeah, let's try a different spot here. What's that?
$956 to get it back.
How much?
$956.
What'd you have done on it?
Just, it was impounded.
Oh, it was impounded?
Yeah.
I got you. Come on. Woo! It's being tough. The other side just popped right off. There we go. It's coming. Turn again here. Come on. Bend my arm a little bit there. So it's not wanting to pop. There's not much structure left to the tire to get it to pop off of there,
Yeah, I know. When it happened, I had to go put it in a parking lot so it wouldn't get caught.
Is that how it got impounded?
Yeah, I asked the people, I was like,
so you pulled into their parking lot and then they impounded it because you left it there overnight?
I left it there for a couple days. They
said
a
couple days?
Like 4 days. So it was like getting close to that 4-day mark.
I got you.
Their manager said, nope.
Yep. Let's see here. Thought maybe get down in there, but I don't think so. Bending my arm here. Come on, baby. Almost. She's close. She's close. We'll keep turning and keep moving. Woo! She's tough. It's starting to go down though. You can see it. See that a little bit?
Yeah, I see it.
Very slowly, but it is. Just got to keep working at it here. See, before we didn't even have a gap in there. Now we got a little bit of a gap here. Oops. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's see here. Can I hand me that big hammer up underneath the seat? Yeah, you got it there? Nope. Yeah, go here. I got you. There you go. Hey, yeah. Should be right there under the seat. Thank you. Plug that back in real quick before it goes dead. All right. There it went. Sometimes it takes a little bit of finesse, people. A little bit of finesse. Just to get it to pop off the rim there. Does these rims have sensors in them, or do you know?
I'm not entirely sure.
Oh, I gotcha. I just thought while you were, standing here, I'd ask,
Yeah, I don't know much about our little there.
I think, yeah, they are a sensor. I didn't even look, but yeah, it's a sensor.
Okay.
No big deal or nothing. I was just curious. Nice thing is, this rim's already boogered up on this car. We ain't got to worry about it. I had some people on YouTube was like, oh, if you use that machine on my rims, you'd be buying me a new one. I'm like, that's not how we operate.
Yeah, no.
You guys really need to go and read our description,
Yeah.
Uh-oh. There we go. Kept slipping off my hands. There we are. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Oop. There we are. Popped out on me there. There we go. Okay. So, people will eventually figure it out. They'll get it. They're a little more ruthless on YouTube than they are Facebook.
Oh yeah.
Oh, might have to get that one started. It looks like. See if there's a crowbar in there. Yeah. It's never mind. I got it.
All right.
I got something to use anyways. I'll use my spoon here. I do like using my crowbar a little bit better, you know, but I think it's under the seat too.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, is it?
Let's go.
Can you get it or?
Yeah, it's got the door here.
I gotcha. Yep, I got you covered. Go ahead. That's the downfall. I forgot my jump pack, which is what I normally plug my phone into like this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's how I normally have like such free range with my phone, and now I don't all of a sudden. You know, when you see me on Facebook, I have all that free range. I can like walk around with it, you know.
They had my car facing forward in at a wall, and I couldn't get the shifter to shift it into reverse or neutral. But I looked online, there's a little lever you can pop off. And
can you hold down on that? Just hold it with your hand right quick. Yep, there you go. No, don't pull, just hold.
There's a little lever you can pop and get your ignition to drop into neutral.
Yeah.
So I did that, and I pushed the car out and jumped it.
Oh, you just pushed it over here?
Oh, no, I pushed it out of the spot over in their lot.
Oh, to get it off their property?
No, just so I can get it back far enough to get a jumper cable in it.
Oh, I see. There we go. All right, well, that's halfway there. Anybody want some tire shreds? Confetti! There we are. I'll go this way with it because the sensor's right here. And we don't want to mess with that sensor, you know?
Yeah.
So, here you go. You take that. You got to keep that.
All right.
I'm going to give that a few flips in the ditch over there to get that dust, that stuff out of it. All right. Give it a quick once wipe off. Feels good. All right. Brand new EV low profile. Are these directionals? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
No, I don't see no arrows or nothing, so I don't see nothing that says inside or outside either, so we're good. Yeah, don't stand in front of this. You get soap in your mouth, it'd be nasty. It's just Dawn dish soap, but still. Yeah, you still don't want to get it in your mouth, you know.
Oh, no.
Well, the car has?
Yeah.
Well, at least now you guys got it back.
Yeah, but yeah, we're good now. Yeah, and she's good. She runs good.
Y'all fully registered and everything?
Yep, I just
That's
have to
good.
renew the tags this weekend. And
Heck yeah. It's a good time. Good thing it's nice and warm out today.
No, it is beautiful today.
Just such a beautiful day out.
Yeah, that's all I'm glad we got to come back today.
Come on up here. Take your hand like this. Just push right. Just put right here and just push down. Okay, just right there. Just got it. You just want to make it to where it doesn't pop back up out of there. Okay, for us. And take your other hand here and just push down. Right, nope. You want to break. We want to break that free. There. See. Feel that seal break free right there. If we don't get that seal to break free with this low profile tire like this, we'll never get it on the rim. And then we just got to work it little at a time. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Release it. Yep, there you go. You got to be able to let me get underneath it. All right, ready? push. There you go. It's on.
Nice.
Okay.
I always wondered how that's done.
What's that?
I wondered how they put the rim on, or is that how you do it?
That's how I do it.
Yeah.
This is a manual tire machine. Most people use an electric tire machine, an air-powered tire machine in a big shop.
Understood.
Some guys use them on their truck. Some of them guys have the big tire machines on these trucks, but we just don't.
Yeah.
Our truck isn't capable to handle that big of a machine yet. We need a diesel one. That's what we're working towards.
Oh yeah, I hear you.
I'm over here on this side of the hotel.
That's it.
Yeah, safety hat.
Yeah, I'd appreciate it if you guys stayed on that side of the vehicle.
I get it.
Thank you. I mean, it's you guys' safety, not mine. Yeah. I dropped your cap. I don't see it anywhere here. I got all this little black pieces of stuff here. Oh, here it is. Fell down in the crack here. There we go. All right. Let me let's see if we can pull this valve stem out here. Oh yeah. Good. Oh, it just beads right up and we don't have to worry about using a bead bazooka on it. I'd really not have to worry about that. Oh yeah. We're good.
Nice.
Be just a few minutes now. It takes like 5 minutes, if it takes 5 minutes to balance it. Can you put me a little bit more of that hose up here at the bed for me? Thank you. Yeah. I just need to be able to step on it, a little slack.
For sure. Yeah. So we can get food.
Oh, there's the bottom.
So we're gonna have food. Integrate that food in. Yeah. Something cheap for dinner. I've been feeling really good today physically, but like my legs hurt so much all the time.
Do me a favor. Grab one of those cones and back just a little bit further. That way, so that way it's on the other side of that balancer. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. What do you want the air pressure at?
33, I think is what it
33? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm already up at 30, that's why I asked.
Thank you.
There went the top, so. I usually ask the customer, what they want it at,
Yeah, I always do something.
If they don't specify, I'll usually go look at like the door jamb of the car.
That's how I found out, yeah.
Or if it doesn't have it there, then I just air it up to the PSI on the tire.
Yeah.
Well, what else can you do at that point,
Exactly.
All right.
That's so surprising on my tire.
Who'd you guys buy the tire from?
Where did we go? Discount tire?
Tire Plus
Tire
in Madison.
Plus.
Oh, down in Madison?
Middleton. But yeah.
Middleton, yeah.
Yeah, just one, and I'm like, yeah,
There you go.
guys had one.
It's at 34, but
That's worse, yeah.
it's like 34.3 or something like that. So just a tad over. I was
Right,
like,
right.
well, it's not gonna hurt nothing. Can you walk up front there and unhook that air compressor and then shut my truck off if you wouldn't mind? We're just going to keep the camera rolling and do a quick balance right here. Do that all right here. Thank you. Appreciate it. Whew. All right, now we're going to go in the back there. Way back there, and we're going to balance. Can you grab that tire crane off the dash? You can unplug that inside the dash.
Okay.
No, right there on the dash. Should be a crane.
Oh, I see it right here.
Yeah.
Big one.
All the weights are already gone off of it. Well, that works. That's balanced. That's pretty much balanced. How you like it? Stop. It doesn't get no better than that.
Oh, that's perfect.
That just means your rim's in really good shape. It's not bad. Or anything.
That's why you let me drive the tire to park it and take the...
So there you go, guys. All right, here's your sticker. Yeah, you just throw that back where you got it at.
All right.
All right, well, it's already balanced, so no need to throw some wheel weights on it or anything. De-asphalt, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. We're just going to put it back on their vehicle and get them back on the road.